Welcome back to One to Step YouTube channel, everybody. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into Santander's auto loan account by sitting on your home. So basically, your auto loan account and your normal banking account is same. So if you guys log in into your normal online banking account, there's gonna be your auto loan section. From there, you can access it. So let me show you guys how you guys can log in into your normal account because it's similar to login into your auto loan account. All right. With that said, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step, and let's move forward. So the first step is you want to search for Santander Auto Loan login and then click on the first link over here. It will take you to this page where you guys can enter your username of your account and then enter the password of your account over here like this. And click on sign in and you should be able to log in into your normal, online banking account of Santander. From there, you can access the auto loan section. All right. With that said, hope you guys understand. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will be seeing you guys in my future videos. Bye bye until then.